don't mind the background noise. Okay, maybe you should mind it because it is kind of calming. Anyways, what you came here for. Zero unboxing. I've never done this before. Halloweenston has. Don't get us confused. Halloweenston has done this on this channel, but I haven't. So this is my first time ever unboxing something on this channel. Let me just. I got the box cutter here. Let me just. Judging by what I'm looking at here, it's gonna be quicker than what Halloweenston does. Y'all, okay, for any of you using sharp objects, make sure you're absolutely certain you know what you're doing, okay? The reason why I'm saying this is because some of my audience is kind of stupid, so like I gotta give them a little warning because no one deserves to get hurt. So like, if you're gonna use stuff like this, make sure you know what you're doing before you start messing around with it. Actually, don't mess around with it. Just, please. If you don't know what you're doing with a sharp object like this, why are you holding it in the first place? Put that thing down. Okay, this, I don't want to force it because like I don't want to like cut myself, but like, okay, there we go. Okay, we got this thing, this thing, this thing. Oh, that's nice. Ugh. I assume these right here are the instructions. Okay, box is empty. Get it out of the way. Same with all of these. Okay, that's just. Okay, what the heck is going on here? Yeah. Put that over there. This right here just pretty much gives you a warning. Here, you know what? Let me go in and like, so you can pause the video and read it for yourself. As well, it's whatever's going on here. There's nothing really like, and this other paper through the instructions. Let me do what Halloweenston does and like lay out the way it shows here. Okay, suppose this can make a good thumbnail. Let me just take a few pictures for the thumbnail. Okay, let's see here. If I'm being completely honest, I have no idea what store this came from. Let's see, step one is to do this. Do as I do, I guess. If any of you have this prop at home and you're struggling, follow me. There. Attach both. And now do the same with the other one. That's what I'm getting at here. This isn't much compared to what Halloweenston does, but like, it's still... Did I say that already? I don't know. Halloweenston's dementia is kind of like rubbing off on me a bit. Oh wait, that's right, because we're Clonestons. We're like the same person, but like different variations, different versions. There. Just do that if you saw what happens, that if that actually happens. All right. Step 2, put, hang on. I guess it's, is it, okay, no, wait. This way. With this on the bottom side. So you can, I don't want to hit the TV. There. That step took so long. I guess step 3. Oh wait, hang on. This ain't no step 3. This is step 2. What I actually did was step 1.1, step 1.2. So I guess step 2 apparently is to do this. You gotta like, you wanna okay, wait, hang on. I guess step 1. I guess step what does it want me to do? It's hard for me to tell. It wants me to, oh, I see. So you got to remove this. Remove it. Hang on. Or at least once I figure it out. But you got to remove this, put that through, and then put it back on. But I got, actually, you know what? This would be better with 2 hands. I got to make sure y'all can still see what I'm doing here. So you really want to like remove this thing. Remove it. There. Now put it in there. And then, well, of course I lose something like this. It's so small. Okay, I found it. And then put it back. There you go. And now we can flip over the paper because it's time for step 3.1. Which is put the body on there. And by on there, I mean up here. Okay, wait, hang on. Let me turn off the TV. Where's the remote? Okay, I found the remote. There it is. Let me just go ahead and turn that off. No more TV. This thing is so heavy. Again, this is better with 2 hands. So let me just pan the camera upwards so y'all can see this. But you want to like, here's what you want to do. You know, like get the whatever this thing is called and put it through the hole. But you want to make sure it's facing forward towards you. Like where I'm standing, like you want to make sure it's facing towards you. There you go, just like that. It's facing that way, all right? Okay, step 3 point, I guess steps 3.2 through 3.4, you gotta attach the head. Where's the head? Put the head on the thing here. Okay, anyway, let me stand up. Okay, so you gotta attach the wires, you gotta match the colored wires and attach them. Okay, wait. So let me go ahead and attach the yellow and black to the other yellow and black. I don't know what will happen if I were to attach it incorrectly. Let me pan the camera downwards. I think that's as down as it's ever gonna go. This is the best you're gonna get. I don't think it'll go down. Never mind, it can. What is that? Okay, so I don't really know how to get all these wires out of the way. You just gotta like push them in. Guess that kind of works, but like, does it say it on the instructions? I guess not really, unless I'm not looking hard enough, which, you know, I probably am. You know, let's all be for real, okay? Let's get real. I probably am just not looking at the instructions. I'm not looking hard enough, okay? There you go. You got to push the wires in the head and not down the neck. That's some good ASMR right there. And I guess all that's left to do is to attach the ears. Here they are. Gotta attach them. Wait, which ears go where? Which ear is this? Is this the left ear or the right ear? I actually can't tell. Hold up. Okay. I'm guessing this is left. Oh, no. Like my left. And I'm just now noticing it's saying R and L. Alright. Okay. It's finished. And, well, unlike the animatronics, this doesn't really count as an animatronic. It's just something to unbox. Unlike the other things that Halloween's unboxed on video, this doesn't have an adapter. It needs batteries. What type of batteries? I have no clue. Yeah. And I'm guessing these are the stakes. There you go. So I guess that's it. That's the end of the video.